Hi, in this tutorial we are going to learn about sweep bows base command. Also, we'll use shell, fillet command, we will create some new planes, etc. Open new SolidWorks document and start to sketch on front plane. First we will make one cylinder that will be 50 millimeters and we will exit the sketch. Go to Future, use command extruded bows base and make it 60 millimeters. Click OK. Now we will draw on top plane. Go normal to top plane, right click and use command normal to and start spline. That will start from here. Click escape button on keyboard. Move the points a little. That's okay and exit the sketch. Now I want to make the profile sketch that will follow this line. To do that, we have to create the profile starting from this point. To sketch from start of this point, we have to go to create new plane. Go to reference geometry, plane. For first reference, use this point, and for second one, use the spline sketch. Click OK. Now sketch on plane 1. Use command to create ellipse and start from this point here. Click OK. You can modify the ellipse from these points here. That's okay. Exit the sketch. Now we will use sweep bows base command. Use sketch 4 for the profile of the path and this line for path that will follow our profile. And here is our holder for cup. Now use command shell 7 millimeters just on this face and click OK. 7 millimeters is too much. Maybe 3.5 millimeters. That's better. Then we'll use fillet. I want it to be 4. Let's see. 2. Okay. 2 millimeters. And another thing that we are going to do is to create sweep cut on the outside face on the Mac. To do that, we need to create one line, but before creating the line, we're going to hide this plane and create a new plane that will be tangent to this face here, and it will be parallel with plane top parallel and click OK. That's okay. Now we are going to draw one line that will start from somewhere here and will follow this path. Exit the sketch and use in future command in curves project curve for project sketch we'll use this line, and for profile to project will be this profile here. Change the direction and click OK. Second thing that we need to do to use sweep cut is to create again another plane. Hide this one first. And again we will create one new plane that will be coincident to this point here and be perpendicular to this circle here. Here is our plane. Click OK to create it. Now also we'll draw the profile on this plane here. Normal to again use ellipse, create it, this point and this will be coincident, that will be also coincident. Use the profile something like this. Exit the sketch, and now we will use sweep cut command. For sketch profile we use this profile here, and path will be this line, and here is it. Click OK, hide this plane, hide this curve, again use fillet 0.5 maybe. Yeah, it's good. 0.5 in this line, also this line, this one is okay, and maybe this one too, and click OK. So here is our cap 40. Look nice. We also in appearance can add material. It will be gloss maybe. Ooh. Or not good. We can make this part here to be gloss. Sweep gloss blue. Wow. Clear gloss. Click OK. And for this one, we will use appearance plastic red. Oops. Also from here you can select what do you want to select on the profile that you want to change the color. Here this option is for face, and I will select this face here. I will make it blue. Okay. This one will be yellow. Okay. For this we will add another color that will be green. Nope. Red. Okay. Fillets. I will leave fillets to be like this. This face will be also blue. Okay. And here is our cap profile 40. We can also change the color for this fillet here. Okay, that's nice. Thanks for watching. Click that button subscribe and stay tuned.